Here are 5 essential but little known shortcuts that I use on a daily basis. I'm on a Mac, but I'll display PC shortcuts as well. To adjust your comp's resolution, use the following shortcuts: Command-J for full resolution, Command-Shift-J for half resolution, and Command-Option-Shift-J for quarter resolution. To toggle between your timeline and graph editor, use the shortcut Shift F3. I use this one constantly while animating. To go to the beginning of your work area, use Shift Home. Shift End jumps to the end of your work area. In case you aren't aware, the Home and End keys are located on your number pad. Let's add a curves, a fast box blur, and a hue and saturation to this image. To remove all the effects from a selected layer or layers, use Command-Shift-E. To add the most recent effect you applied, use Command-Option-Shift-E. Notice that hue and saturation was added since it was the last effect I applied in the string of effects. To import a single file, use Command-I. To import multiple files, use Command-Option-I. I use Command-I constantly, especially at the beginning of a project. Shortcuts save you a ton of time. Remember that the key is to learn a few at a time and to focus on the ones you use the most often.